Hey everyone, Josh here from Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got a new Glowforge Proofgrade material in the mail, and I wanted to go over this. This is completely new packaging. It looks like it did come with bubble wrap around it, but that's typical. But what's new here is this is completely saran wrapped here in this like cellophane plastic, and it looks like they've got a new little barcode sticker here. So I don't know if they do this all custom from now on, where they do the saran wrap and the sticker on like smaller orders. But this was a larger order, so they kind of just saran wrapped it. It was all one type of material, so I don't know if they would combine material types either. I'm not sure if this is an actual push towards like Joann fabric retailers, and that's why they started packaging it like this, or with the introduction of the new Glowforge premium software. But I just wanted to make a real quick video to show you guys the new packaging it looks like Glowforge has decided to take, and I am pretty impressed with this packaging, I must say. It's nice getting it all saran wrapped, and all of the boards actually look completely flat. A lot of the times when it comes in the mail, there's some kind of a warp throughout. So I have yet to open this yet. It looks like there is a couple different barcodes here. I'm guessing maybe this one is like a batch barcode to show what batch it comes in. That way if they get reports of a bad batch, they can track that down. And then these just look like regular UPC barcodes for the type of material. So let's go ahead and open this up and see if they got a whole new sticker underneath here. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like underneath, and then we'll go from there. And then I'm not going to take the wrapping all the way off. I just want to see if this sticker actually comes off. It looks like it's part of it. Let's go to the next board here and see. So yeah, it looks like this is the all-new sticker that is on every sheet of Proofgrade material from now on. So one other thing this is going to raise questions into is this going to affect the engraving? The sticker itself actually feels a lot thinner than the last sticker, and the last sticker, I know it did affect that engraving just a little bit. So I'll have to do a future video of me actually engraving over top of this sticker to see if it actually affects the engraves of the Proofgrade material itself. Hopefully it doesn't. Obviously you'd have to peel the sticker off, but I think they did this so the actual sticker is easier for the Glowforge to read. I'm going to just go a couple more deep just to make sure. But yeah, as you can see, every single one of these things has that new sticker on it. So that is the new Glowforge approved sticker, it looks like, for the Glowforge materials. Let me flip it over just to make sure nothing's on the back. Yeah, so the same back as usual. But yeah, it looks like that is the new and approved sticker from now on. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I just wanted to show you guys the new packaging, the new Glowforge Proofgrade material look here. As of right now, this is the walnut plywood, and this is all that I've ordered because I use this the most. If I do end up getting any in the future of different kinds, I can do another video on that, but I would assume this is true with all Glowforge materials moving forward. So expect to see that on your Glowforge certified material from this point forward. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you guys next time.